Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get runway effect and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, you can use the runway effect to give you specific effect or beautiful effect during the runway time. And I'm going to use this flower runway. Okay, that's so beautiful. Okay, if you want to purchase the runway effect, guys, you're going to go to this menu. Okay, and then you're going to select the packs and select the runway effects. And most of them needs Robux if you want to purchase it. But here you can purchase the flower effect using your flower currency. And you can get the flower currency by completing the daily quest in Dress and Press. You can also join the seashell search game to get the flowers for free. That's so beautiful. You can use it right here on this menu. When it's your turn, you can click on this menu and use the runway effect that you have. Actually, every event is giving us the runway effect for free, but we need to do like commission. But I think for this update, we need to purchase it. Yeah, we need to purchase it with the flowers. Okay guys, and that's how we can get runway effect in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!